The night sky is endlessly vast. For anyone pointing a telescope upward, the search for the most beautiful cosmic target feels incredibly subjective. But out in the field, you don't have infinite time to browse. Finding that perfect shot is strictly limited by the hours of true darkness available before dawn. Add in the constant threat of cloud cover, atmospheric turbulence, and the heavy gear required to capture deep space, and every single observing session becomes a costly investment. Looking at a wide field view like this, two celebrated targets constantly compete for your precious eyepiece time: the Whirlpool galaxy and the Sombrero galaxy. Choosing between them forces a specific dilemma. You must decide whether to capture dynamic structural interaction or stark visual symmetry. To maximize the return on your night, you must look past the subjective idea of beauty and understand the underlying structural reality of what you are aiming at. Let's start with the Whirlpool galaxy, M51. It sits roughly 23 million light-years away in the constellation Canes Venatici. Its rival is the Sombrero galaxy, M104. It is located 28 million light-years away on the edge of the Virgo cluster. This comparison table tracks their baseline profiles. The Whirlpool is viewed face-on, exposing glowing starburst arms. The Sombrero is tilted edge-on, presenting a sharp, dark dust lane. Their classifications guarantee completely different outputs. M51 is a grand design spiral, while M104 is an unbarred spiral. These baseline data points show M51 and M104 represent completely opposite ends of the observational spectrum. We can map these targets on a quadrant chart to see what they offer. The x-axis tracks viewing orientation from face-on to edge-on. The y-axis tracks structural focus, from internal details to symmetry. The Whirlpool galaxy lands precisely here in the face-on internal details quadrant. Looking at M51, the defining feature of this quadrant is obvious. You only get these incredibly well-defined arms and swirling brown dust from a top-down angle. The trade